I know.
It looks like it's probably about like 7, 8 o'clock.
You gotta move it, people.
I know, I'm getting ready. Everything's running.
Watch out bumping now. Oh, I got those crystals up there.
Huh?
I said, watch out bumping now. I got those crystals up there. I could sell those motherfuckers to somebody. You know? I could say, hey, these are psychically charged by the Eclipse. Eclipse crystals.
Oh shit.
Do it. Don't get pussy.
It's taking too long, Pop.
Huh?
It's taking too long.
What's taking too long?
Man, these biting ass ants.
The Eclipse. It's taking too long.
The smile's getting smaller.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like the same to me.
Like it's getting shorter. I'll give it like 2 more minutes. I'm gonna look away for a second.
You know, most. You kind of. Told you, worship me, or I will darken the sky forever. Motherfuckers didn't believe me. It's getting dark too. Like you can tell, there's just a tiny sliver of light.
You hear the bugs already starting up.
Yeah, listen, Pop. It's the nighttime insects.
Huh.
You hear them?
I can't hear him.
You can't hear the cicadas going off?
That doesn't mean anything.
Uh-oh. It's coming. Oh yeah, it's about there. There it goes.
Oh, man. Look at Frankie. Almost there.
It is. It's like a little sliver now. Looks like a streak.
It really sucks that you can't drink here because you should take a shot.
There it goes. There it goes. It's going. Almost. No, there it goes. It's gone. Yeah! Look at that. Check out the star, Pop. Pop, look at the star.
I know.
Wow, that is awesome.
Ooh, the goosebumps.
Ooh, look, Pop, what's back there? Pop. What the hell is that?
They're just
Airplanes behind.
Oh, drones? Wow. That's fucking awesome.
Here, Josh, point this around and stuff, whatever you want to film.
Huh?
Just point that around whatever you want to film.
Will it not show the moon? Oh, there it goes.
I would until you. Yeah, you don't see it on a telescope.
Might have came out of the frame. That's Venus over here.
You think you might see some fireworks.
UFO out in Eclipse. You see this UFO, and then
Over there with cameras.
That is tight as hell, man.
That's Venus. Well, yeah, it probably is.
There's a star in the daytime. That's awesome. How long does it last, Pop?
2 minutes and 36
what's that?
seconds.
Is that a satellite? You see the satellite?
No. Could be.
Right? Wait a minute, where I lost this. Right there, look. Follow my fingers, right above that line, that cloud line. There it comes. Woo! That was neat.